CP the Tool Addict here, coming at you. How you doing? You guys staying healthy? I hope you are, because I'll tell you what right now, I'm thinking about you guys. Stay out there, stay safe, stay healthy. But for right now, we've got a nice little introduction to a tool company that I absolutely have been a big fan of for years. You know CP the Tool Addict. He loves tools. But this company right here, we're going to go through an unboxing, and we're going to do this. Give them guys a little plug on my channel. And I know that some of you will know exactly what I'm talking about with some of this stuff. So, or when I talk about this channel or talk about this company, a lot of you have used their tools for probably years. This company that I'm speaking of is Lisle Tools. That's right. Lisle Tools contacted me, and they actually, I don't know if I want to give away what exactly happened here, but Lisle Tools contacted me. They are right here in the great state of Iowa, and Lisle Tools has been around for a long time. In fact, looking up a little bit of history of Lisle Tools, this would be Lisle Tools' 117th year in business. That's right, so applaud them for that right there. Lisle Tools, 117 years old as a tool industry. They started back in the early 20s, 1920s, and they actually started off with a valve tool, I think, for a Model T, and then they graduated to a magnetic drain plug, and then, of course, you guys know the Jeepers Creepers. Lisle's tools, the Lisle Creepers are probably one of the most well-known and used creepers in the mechanic industry. But that being said, they sent me this, so I wanted to do a tool review on this. I don't even remember what they sent me here, but I wanted to talk about Lisle Tools and just how great of a company they are. I've done business with them for over 20 years. I've got several tools, such as their, let's see, I've got Lisle Tools. Hold on a second, let me grab something. Be right back, fellas. Normally I don't like to walk away from the camera, but I do have a few Lisle. I got one Lisle tool right here off the bat that I can think of that I like, and I use it quite a bit. And that is the, sorry about that, plug disconnector here. Plug disconnector. This is for disconnecting electrical plugs, and you can see I use this kind of a go-to. Lisle has several other tools. I have their creeper. Trying to think of bearing. They do a bearing packer. That's a pretty popular one. Scrapers, gasket scrapers. Lisle has a ton of stuff, and I'm sure down in that comment box you guys can tell me about that. So, without ado, we're going to give you, of course I had to cross out my name, but there's the Lisle in Clender, Iowa. We're going to go ahead and crack this baby open. We're going to do a tool. We're going to look and see what's inside. We got the Gerber, brand new. Bada bing, bada boom. We're going to cut this baby wide open. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, son. Oh, son. Oh, look at that. Lisle Tools sent me some gloves. That is awesome. Man, oh, man. Heavy duty impact gloves. That is sweet. I am definitely going to enjoy those. Like I said, I had no idea what they sent me. And this is the first time I opened it when you guys did, so. Then, looks like we have a little green thing here. Colorful. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, shucky ducky. Air tool holder. I've seen these things. Let's check this out. Let's grab an air tool. Alrighty. Let's see if this holds. Let's get this thing snapped open here. Get it cut open. That popped off nice and easy. It's got a pretty stout magnet. Man, that thing holds on good. Let's see if it'll hold, man, I gotta find something that'll fit this on. Well, I'm not exactly sure. We'll find something to set this on here real quick. I think it's made for an air hose. Guys, this is actually made for an air hose. So, you can use it for an air hose or an air tool. You see that right there? And I think the biggest thing is, let's get you up and close here. So I think what this is actually made for is for your air tool or your air hose. I've seen a little bit on this. I should have done a little better research. But you guys know me, I'm honest. So I didn't really get in depth with it too much, but and it matches my hat, so that's cool. But man, that's got some power. Make sure I don't scratch my toolbox here. That is kind of handy, guys. If you're working and you're using air tools, this thing will be sweet. It does not have a protective cover on it, but this is an awesome little tool. You know, how many times have you wanted to set the hose down on your hoist? Let's just walk over here real quick. Take a little peek. Sorry, I know this video is different, but I don't, you know me, I'm not a real big fan of editing. Let's take this over here, stick it up here, grab an air hose. This is where this would be handy if you're working on a truck. Look at that, fellas. That is handy. So now, let me turn you around here. Now, you can just grab your air hose off here. You got your tool on it or whatnot. That's pretty awesome. That's a neat little deal there. I'm digging it. So, Lisle air tool holder. Sorry, gonna give you a small shop tour. It's gonna be cool. I don't know what the price of these are, guys. Honestly, like I said, I just got this in the mail and I'm just doing a real quick review on it. And I didn't even know they were sending me gloves, so that's pretty awesome. Let's check out the gloves now. And wow, these things are nice. They got like a nice neoprene rubberized finish on the back here. Let's open them up and see what they fit like. Man, these things feel real high quality built here, guys. Impact gloves they're called. Synthetic leather. Wow. Synthetic leather. Wow, that's these things are, oh man, if you guys are doing like tire work and stuff like that. Oh, what do we got here? What is this all about? There's a, looks like a power button. Heavy duty impact gun. Oh, I thought maybe we had some kind of light or something in there. There's a power button. Maybe that's the power button. That's the trigger finger right there. That's the power. So yeah, these gloves are, let me get the part number on these, so you guys can check these out. These are some nice gloves, guys. Definitely want to check these things out. Man, they fit perfect for me. I'll tell you that right now. These are awesome gloves. I am definitely digging these things. This impacting stuff here, keep your hands from getting smashed. Wow. Let's go! Woo! Lisle! Coming out with them. These are cool, man. I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with these gloves. I've got some Mac Impact gloves, and I dig them. I'm feeling comfortable in these things right now. They fit my hands good. No extra braking needed. Nice padding on the. See that gel padding on there, guys? Man, look at that rubber. That's these are some dang nice gloves. I don't know what the price is on these. I'll try to put a link in the description down there, guys, in case you're interested in buying them. Like I said, Lisle just sent me this stuff. There's the part number. I'll put the link in the description for all this stuff, guys, because I'll tell you what, this part number is going to be hard for you to read. But if you guys are interested in this stuff, it looks like relatively, Lisle is a good, inexpensive tool company. They've always been reasonably priced. I can't say enough good things about Lisle, guys. Lisle Tools has been with me since day one. I started out with buying Lisle tools. I've got some Lisle picks, scrapers. I'm trying to think of some stuff that I bought from Lisle's. I've got honing tools. I know they got honing and lapping tools. I've done them for motorcycles. Use their lapping tools for their valve lapping tools for motorcycle stuff. But Lisle Tools is a great company, guys. Definitely check them out. A link will be in the description for all this stuff, so you can check them out too. Remember, 108, 117-year-old company. Lisle Tools has been around right here in Iowa. U.S. company. So check them out, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.